hope you are having a good day. My name is Kit Tan. Welcome to my channel. I am in Betong in the southern city of Isiala province in Thailand. And now I actually is at one of these noodle shop here in Betong city, where I'm going to check out one of the signature dish at this noodle shop here. And of course, when you are in Betong, one of the dish that you need to check out is the noodle dish, apart from the dim sum and also the Betong chicken rice. So I'm going to check out this noodle dish here, which is the dry noodle, and I hope you join me, and we are going to try out this noodle dish right now.
ใส่หมูแดงกับเกี๊ยวทอดแล้วก็
แล้วก็เป็นลูกชิ้นใช่ไหม
ลูกชิ้นนั่งไหนครับ
Now this is the dry noodle, the dry soy sauce noodle that I have ordered. So of course I have these noodles here, the yellow noodles, which mixed with the soy sauce there, or the seaweed in Thai. And then I also have the fish ball here, and then I have the udang, or the char siu there, as well as the deep fried wonton here. So we're going to check out how this dry noodle tastes like. This is more of the wonton noodle style here. So let's try out this Betong style of the wonton noodles here. This is the Betong dry noodles, and of course, as I mentioned earlier, you need to check this noodle dish out when you are in this Betong city. So let's try the noodle first. Now the texture of the noodle is good. It's has a very tender texture there. And the soy sauce there, it's not salty at all. There's a pork balls there as well, apart from the this fish ball here. Let's check out the fish ball. That's a very bouncy texture with strong fishy smell there. And then the pork balls. The pork ball has a bouncy structure with the texture to it. It's tender. Let's check out the char siu here. Char siu is sweet. The texture of the char siu here is tender as well. Wonton, the deep fried wonton skin here. It's crispy. There's some veggies here as well. This bowl of Betong wonton noodles has a mixture of everything here. There's the char siu, there's the fish ball, pork ball, the deep fried wonton skin, and some veggies there. So this is a good mix of everything into one bowl of this noodles, and this is not disappointed. I hope you enjoy this version of noodle dish adventure in Betong, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. For those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, I hope you can subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. And thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for watching as well. I hope to see you in my next video.